Borderless saris are one of our timeless, elegant weaves. Hi to all the lovely people, this is Priyanka here from Kanjivaram. In this video, I am going to take you through exquisite borderless silk saris with different kind of body weaves and with contrast and monotone color combinations in the price range of 9,000 and it goes up to 10,800. All these saris are pure Kanjivaram silk saris with silk mark certification. Let's get started. The first sari is what I am wearing today. We have this gorgeous lavender mauve with contrast midnight blue combination. Overall sari is woven with silver zari and I have paired it with a velvet balloon sleeves with a western earring to give it a modern twist. The sari is woven with a vertical Vairavoosi strip all throughout the sari with floral buttas woven in silver zari with contrast midnight blue rich brocade pallu with a plain midnight blue blouse. You can also style this in a different ways to give it a different traditional look or a festive look, or even you can style it in a way so that you can use it for your evening wear. The next sari is this gorgeous dual tone peach with a navy blue combination. It's a partly pleat Kanjivaram. The first half of the sari is woven with a dual tone peach with deep brinjal purple selvage woven on both the sides. You can also find brocade, floral brocade woven throughout in rose gold zari. And in the center pleats part, you have this buttas, peacock buttas woven in alternating gold and silver meenakari buttas throughout. And again, the inside part, we get this brocade repeated again. Only the pleats part will have this navy blue. With the contrast, navy blue super rich pallu and plain navy blue blouse with the thin strip of border. It's a pure Kanjivaram silk sari with silk mark certification. Next is this pear shade of green borderless silk sari. We have zari checks woven throughout the sari. The checks are woven as muthuseer cuttums woven throughout with contemporary peacocks filled inside the checks with the monotone rich pallu, and the zari is a combination of rose gold and silver zari, like one thread of silver zari and one thread of rose gold zari is woven throughout the sari, so you get the dual tone shade of zari throughout the sari with monotone super rich pallu. And the blouse is woven with muthuseer, just the muthuseer woven horizontally for a beautiful and traditional look. Next is this dual tone orange with a beautiful shade of peacock blue combination. The body is woven with contemporary buttas woven throughout. It's a kind of floral buttas woven throughout with a nice purple selvage woven on both the sides for the highlight with the contrast peacock blue, very rich shade of peacock blue pallu and the peacock blue blouse. Next is one more borderless weave with tissue inspiration. We have the base weave as tissue weave all throughout the sari. On top of the base tissue weave, we have box type motifs woven throughout. Different motifs are woven inside each boxes. We have crisscross, we have diamond motifs, we have small podi cuttums, tiny podi cuttums, making it vibrant tissue weave all throughout. Overall, it gives us the designer look with the monotone rich pallu, and again the pallu is woven with a horizontal strip of motifs stacked one upon the other with the plain blouse. This plain full hand sleeve blouse for this sari would make it look very gorgeous. All these saris and many more collections are available in our website. Shop online at www.priyanka.in. We are shipping pan-India and globally. We are also available in Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and YouTube. Like this video, share this video to your friends and family, and let us know in the comment section what you want to see next so that we will showcase it for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.